Hello, let me enlighten you a little about this gender transformation and what gender transformation looks like in the society. Watch this video to the end and know what gender transformation is. Gender transformation should be done when you have double sex organ known as intersex. This is when you can now choose the kind of gender that matches your character and physics. Or maybe you have a gender dysphoria. Maybe you are giving birth to as a man, but people know you as a woman. Then you can have gender transformation, which is transgender. Changing yourself, I have no problem with that. But this video in particular is meant for those normal people that has changed themselves from the particular kind of gender to another kind of gender, a different gender altogether. I want to outlist these side effects. But before I will outlist the side effects of this transgender, changing of your gender, this video is not to compare the lifestyle and family, social relationship, and quality of life in people with gender dysphoria. No, if you have that gender dysphoria, you can actually go to see a medical practitioner or go to see a surgeon and have discussion with him or her. Okay, so why I'm doing this video is because changing yourself or changing your gender from one gender to another has a health implication, and it is not very healthy to so many people, both in your social lifestyle, cultural lifestyle, and quality of life. Okay, so how do we know the side effect, or how do we know? Is by watching this video to the end and know the side effect of these transforming individuals or gender transformation individuals. Okay, number one, how do we even come to counsel a transgender person who is pregnant? Wow, I don't know how to answer that question. If you're going to for antenatal programs in the hospital, and how do we actually cancel you? Maybe you should come up with a way we should be able to cancel you with other women who are expectant mothers. Okay, so another one again is the level of societal support and discrimination will be high. Yes, I've seen a lot of transgender having societal discrimination and not being supported society in the society. The discrimination is high, trust me. Some people will even tell you not to touch them because you are transgender, because you change your gender for no reason. It's not because you're a dysphoria patient, no, because you just chose to change your gender because of fame, because of influence, because of money. Okay, so how do we handle that? Okay, healthcare disparities also is another one. They face discrimination from healthcare providers and difficulty in accessing cares. Oh, Jesus Christ. I can't even imagine that. Imagine when you are a transgender. It's not because you change it because you are a dysphoria person. No, you change it because you want fame and money and you want to be famous. But the discrimination in our health disparities, our healthcare providers these days are actually making it look like it's not right. Yes, it's not right. So please, if you're one of them, or you're trying to change your gender from a man to a woman or from a woman to a man, the discrimination that comes with this is very much that it could actually lead this person to trauma, depression, anxiety, and a whole lot of things that you will not like in return. A lot of them are not even happy in their daily lives. A lot of them are not really happy because of the treatment they get from people and opposite sex outside there. inadequate treatment could actually take over their life because of this the way they are treated in the health care system. Okay, surgical intervention is another one. Some transgender individual may undergo surgical intervention all the time, like gender affirmation, surgeries to align the physical bodies with their gender identity, and this comes with a lot of risks associated with surgical procedures. You know what I'm saying? Like scarring, like having scars, a lot of scars in your body, and bleeding, infection, complication from anesthesis, a lot of it. So it's not good to transform yourself from your real gender to another gender. Even you're going to have immunity problem. Your immunity is going to drop, and you're going to be prone to you're going to stand the risk of having so many infection if care is not taken, if you are not handling it properly, especially HIV/AIDS, because your immune system will not be able to stand that anymore. Hormonal therapy is another one. Maybe to change your voice or your breasts grow and your body hair. This therapy could lead to blood clotting, hypertension, and diabetes. You know that? And also, many of you might not know, and some doctors might not really tell you the truth about this. But from this video, you get to learn that this thing you are doing is actually risking your life, and it's actually going to cost you a quality life. I think transgender should be done when it is legally authorized in order to reduce the risk of scaring societal discrimination, depression, anxiety, and quality of life. I think law should look into this and then actually do something about this, because it's becoming alarming in the society. Someone will just wake up and decide to change the gender for no just reason, because you want to feel like a man or want to feel like a woman. No, it's inappropriate. It's just the same thing as someone taking a person taking drug. You are abusing your sex. You are abusing that sex. You are abusing the female sex or the male sex, whether you are trying to transform to a woman or you're trying to transform to a man. This is sex abuse. This is a kind of, how would I say it, gender abuse. Yes, this is a gender abuse. You are abusing that gender, trying to tell people or trying to tell us that this gender is not right for you, when it's not anybody's fault that you should be that way. So long as you are not a diphorial person, you are not a person with two, you are not an intersex, you are not a person with two organs. You don't have to take away your gender by yourself, because it is going to cost you your life. It is going to cost you your health. Trust me, after this, you're not going to look normal anymore. There is much to say about this, but saying further about this looks like you are trying to live people's lives for them. I'm not going to say much about this gender transformation. I'm going to leave it here for me to get a review on the comment section about this. Thank you very much for watching my video. I love you all. Stay tuned for more healthy tips like this. Bye bye.